The macOS Monterey installation typically takes about 30 minutes to 1 hour, depending on your Mac's hardware, internet speed for downloading the installer, and whether you're upgrading from a previous macOS version or performing a clean install. Here's a breakdown. In terms of download time, if downloading from the App Store, the 12.6 gigabytes installer may take 10 to 30 minutes on a fast connection like 100 megabits per second or longer on slower networks. By means of installation time, once downloaded, the actual installation process usually takes 20 to 40 minutes. Older Macs may take closer to an hour, while newer models are often faster. There are some factors affecting speed. For the hardware, SSDs are faster than HDDs. Newer Macs with Apple Silicon are quicker. Clean install versus upgrade. A clean install, erasing the drive, takes longer due to setup and data restoration. Background processes, running apps, or low disk space can slow things down. Thanks for diving into the macOS Monterey installation query with me. Hopefully, you're all set to get that upgrade rolling smoothly. Catch you later. Happy installing.